Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Humble like to send you critical alerts notification in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your iPhone has been stuck on lock screen with a display pop-up error which is Humble like to send you critical alerts. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically when you see this pop-up error, your phone has been stuck and you're unable to use your phone now, but you have a simple, quick and easy fix for this. You just have to simply quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. So you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone, and after that you'll not get the issue again. So now to do this, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. I recommend you have to try to update your software after restarting your phone so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.